Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com with a video, well, a first of many videos on object-oriented programming in Go. So this is the first video, and I'm going to use this video to kind of introduce the topic, because basically I have 5 minutes to do each video. I'm on a trip right now, and I'm using this screencast, and I usually just bring my Chromebook with me, which means I don't have my normal setup and all my programs and all this stuff. So I'm using REPL.it, which is a browser-based editor where you can pretty much work in any programming language, which is really cool. Always recommend using it when you want to practice a new language. And I'm using Screencastify, which is a free screen recorder extension for for your Google Chrome browser that you can use in a Chromebook, allowing you to make videos like this on a Chromebook. Okay. So basically this video is just an introduction. So just real quick, first I want to introduce the idea of OOP in Go, because in Go, object-oriented programming is going to be a lot different. Instead of having classes which you encapsulate properties and methods all in one type, okay, so you have this one thing that has variables and functions, and then if you want, you can create like an inherited class that kind of borrows from that original class. Here they separated sort of methods and variables and grouping them together in a little bit differently. So you don't have traditional classes. You can still pretty much achieve the same result. It's just a lot more modular, which has some benefits because you can, in the long run, especially if you're doing an expansive program, you'll get some benefits where you can have some more flexibility when you're typing things through interfaces. But if you're doing something small, it does require you to do a little bit extra work at piecing it all together. So I'm going to leave it at that, and I will see you guys in the next video.